Welcome to our lesson on relaxer products, tools, supplies, and equipment used to perform relaxer services. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or just starting out, understanding the essentials of relaxer services is key to delivering safe and effective results for your clients. In this video, we'll explore the types of relaxer products, their functions, and the main tools you need. We'll also discuss how to choose the right products for different hair types and how to maintain hair integrity, shine, and manageability throughout the process. Let's begin by looking at what relaxer products are and why they're so important in transforming curly hair into sleek, straight styles. Let's explore the tools and products commonly used to relax hair. From applicator brushes to protective gloves, each item plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and safe relaxer process. When chemically changing a client's hair from curly to straight, your choice of products and tools is vital. Not only do they help achieve the desired look, but they also protect the hair's integrity, shine, and manageability. Think about the tools you've seen in salons. Each has a specific function, and knowing how to use them properly is essential for professional results. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain the types of relaxer products and their usage, describe the functions of the main tools used for relaxing, and provide examples of products, supplies, and equipment used to perform a relaxer service. These objectives will guide you through the essentials of relaxer services, ensuring you understand both the theory and practical application. Let's dive deeper into each category and see how these elements come together to create effective relaxer treatments. Understanding each type of relaxer product is essential for choosing the most appropriate option for every client. There are two major categories: sodium hydroxide and ammonium thioglycolate. Sodium hydroxide relaxers are stronger, offering more relaxing power but are harsher on hair, scalp, and skin. They're best for curly, tightly curled, and resistant hair. Ammonium thioglycolate relaxers are suited for wavy, curly, and non-resistant hair. Knowing these differences helps you tailor your approach to each client's unique needs. Sodium hydroxide relaxers are formulated with 2-3% sodium hydroxide and a heavy cream base, and have a strong alkaline pH of 11.5 to 14. They're designed to straighten tightly curled hair, and are also known as sodium relaxers or lye relaxers. No base sodium relaxers contain oil and conditioning agents to protect the hair and scalp from irritation. However, due to their caustic nature, accurate application, speed, and product knowledge are crucial. For clients with sensitive scalps, a base cream is needed to provide extra protection. No-lye relaxers are recommended for less resistant hair and sensitive scalps, though they can be drying to the hair. These relaxers contain active ingredients such as calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, guanidine hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, and ammonium bisulfite. Each ingredient offers unique benefits and challenges, so it's important to select the right formula based on your client's hair type and scalp sensitivity. Understanding the differences between lye and no-lye relaxers ensures you can provide safe and effective services. Lanthionization is a chemical process that occurs when relaxing hair with sodium hydroxide. During this process, disulfide bonds are broken at a specific point between the first sulfur atom and the adjacent carbon atom, resulting in the loss of one sulfur atom and the formation of a lanthionine bond. This chemical action is irreversible, meaning the hair's structure is permanently altered. Understanding lanthionization helps you appreciate the power and risks of sodium hydroxide relaxers. Ammonium thioglycolate, also known as thiorelaxer, is formulated with 4-6% thioglycolic acid or its derivatives and 1% ammonium hydroxide. A cream base is usually added, and the pH ranges from 8.5 to 9.5. This chemical reducing agent causes hair to soften and swell, affecting both hydrogen and disulfide bonds during processing. Disulfide bonds break between the two sulfur atoms in the cysteine amino acids, and the neutralizing process causes split cysteine amino acids to rejoin, restoring the hair's structure. Relaxer strengths are categorized as mild, regular, and super. Mild relaxers are best for healthy, color-treated, fine-textured, or porous hair. Regular relaxers suit curly to medium-textured hair, while super relaxers are designed for tightly curled, coarse-textured, or resistant hair. Choosing the correct strength ensures the relaxer works effectively without causing unnecessary damage. Always assess your client's hair type and condition before selecting a relaxer strength. Sodium no-lye and thiorelaxer formulas consist of three principal ingredients that control their effectiveness and efficiency: the active alkaline agent, oil, and water. The active alkaline agent is responsible for breaking down the hair structure, while oil helps protect and condition the hair. Water acts as a solvent, ensuring the product is evenly distributed. Understanding these ingredients helps you evaluate relaxer products and choose the best one for your client's needs. It's crucial to follow safety guidelines when applying relaxers. Never apply sodium hydroxide to extremely porous hair that has been colored with permanent hair color or lightened hair. Also, avoid using sodium hydroxide on hair that has been previously permed or relaxed with ammonium thioglycolate. Multiple chemical services reduce the number of bonds in hair, resulting in severe breakage. Always assess the hair's history and condition before proceeding with any relaxer service. After relaxing, it's essential to rinse the hair thoroughly to remove chemicals and blot to remove excess moisture. The neutralizer, which can be a shampoo or lotion, reduces swelling and causes oxidation, restoring broken disulfide bonds. The neutralizer's pH ranges from 2.5 to 7, helping to bring the hair back to a balanced state. Proper neutralization is key to locking in the new, straighter hair structure and preventing damage. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding how many times to shampoo the hair and how long the neutralizing product should be left on. Each relaxer formula may have specific requirements to ensure optimal results and safety. Adhering to these guidelines prevents overprocessing and protects the hair's health. If in doubt, consult the product's instructions or seek advice from experienced professionals. Sodium hydroxide relaxers offer faster processing, strict time constraints, and are better for resistant hair. These advantages make them a popular choice for clients with tightly curled or coarse hair. However, their strength also means they require careful handling and precise application to avoid damage. Understanding these benefits helps you decide when sodium hydroxide relaxers are the best option for your client. No-lye relaxers, such as those containing calcium or potassium hydroxide, guanidine hydroxide, and lithium hydroxide, offer slower processing and are less irritating to the scalp. These formulas are ideal for clients with sensitive skin or less resistant hair. While they may require more time, their gentler approach helps maintain scalp comfort and hair health. Relaxers containing calcium or potassium hydroxide, guanidine hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, ammonium bisulfate, and ammonium thioglycolate are better suited for less resistant hair. These formulas provide effective straightening without overwhelming delicate hair types. Always match the relaxer's strength and formula to your client's hair texture and resistance level for optimal results. Some relaxers, including guanidine hydroxide, lithium hydroxide, ammonium bisulfate, and ammonium thioglycolate, are not recommended for tightly curled hair. These formulas may not provide enough relaxing power for coarse, resistant textures. Always assess your client's curl pattern and choose a relaxer that matches their needs for best results. Ammonium bisulfate relaxers require the addition of heat during processing. Heat helps activate the relaxer, ensuring it works effectively on the hair. Using heat equipment like infrared lamps or hood dryers is essential for these formulas. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for heat application to avoid overprocessing. Relaxers containing calcium or potassium hydroxide require frequent conditioning treatments. These formulas can be drying, so regular use of protein and moisturizing conditioners helps restore balance and maintain hair health. Incorporate conditioning into your client's aftercare routine to keep their hair strong and manageable. Relaxer essentials refer to the tools, supplies, and equipment you'll use for relaxer services. These include applicator brushes, plastic bowls, tail combs, shampoo combs, protective shampoo capes, cloth towels, sectioning clips, aprons, spatulas, gloves, chemical service records, and plastic caps. Each item is designed to make the relaxer process efficient, safe, and comfortable for both the stylist and the client. The main tools for relaxer application include the applicator brush, plastic bowl, tail comb non-metal, and shampoo comb. The applicator brush and shampoo comb help apply relaxer and neutralizer with less product waste and greater control. The plastic bowl holds the relaxer product, while the tail comb parts out sections of hair and is used for smoothing during processing. Using the right tools ensures precision and efficiency in every relaxer service. Protective gear is essential for both the client and the stylist. Use a protective shampoo cape to shield the client from chemicals, cloth towels to absorb and remove water and relaxer solution, sectioning clips to hold hair in place, and an apron or smock to protect the stylist's clothing. Spatulas help remove products from containers without contamination, and gloves shield hands from chemicals. Keep a chemical service record to document client information and use a plastic cap to capture heat during conditioning services. Heat equipment such as infrared lamps and hood dryers provide heat during conditioning following relaxer service. A timer alerts the stylist to check for the appropriate amount of time allowed for relaxer or neutralizer to be on the hair and scalp. The barber chair adjusts for working needs and ensures comfortable seating for the client. These tools help create a professional and efficient relaxer experience. Throughout the lesson, check what you know questions help affirm your understanding of key points. These questions are designed to reinforce learning and ensure you grasp the essentials of relaxer products, tools, and procedures. Take time to review and reflect on your answers to build confidence in your skills. Reviewing your knowledge is an important step in mastering relaxer services. The lesson includes several checkpoints to help you evaluate your understanding of relaxer products, tools, and procedures. Use these opportunities to identify areas for improvement and solidify your expertise in providing safe and effective relaxer treatments. Validating your learning is essential for professional growth. Celebrate what you've learned by applying your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Practice using relaxer products, tools, and equipment to gain hands-on experience. This validation process helps you become more confident and skilled in delivering relaxer services. As you progress through your relaxer training, take time to celebrate your achievements. Each step forward brings you closer to mastering the art and science of hair relaxing. Recognize your growth and continue to build on your skills with practice and dedication. Your commitment to learning ensures you provide the best possible service to your clients. Let's summarize the key points covered in this lesson. We explored the types of relaxer products, their functions, and the main tools used for relaxing hair. We discussed safety precautions, the importance of following manufacturer instructions, and the role of conditioning treatments. By understanding these essentials, you're equipped to deliver safe, effective, and professional relaxer services. Applying your knowledge in practical settings is the next step. Practice using relaxer products, tools, and equipment in a controlled environment. Focus on precision, safety, and client comfort. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become in delivering relaxer services. Remember, every client's hair is unique, so tailor your approach to their individual needs. Continuing education is vital for staying current with new products, tools, and techniques in relaxer services. Attend workshops, read industry publications, and seek mentorship from experienced professionals. Ongoing learning ensures you remain at the forefront of hair care and can offer the latest innovations to your clients. Thank you for joining this comprehensive lesson on relaxer products, tools, and techniques. By mastering these essentials, you're prepared to deliver safe, effective, and beautiful relaxer services. Continue practicing, learning, and growing as a professional. Your dedication to excellence will shine through in every client's hair transformation.